guys, I'll be showing you how to make spaghetti today. We're gonna use tomatoes, onions, garlic, these sardines, and spaghetti. So I've already cut up the tomatoes and the onions and the garlic. I'm just gonna blend them together, and then I'm gonna go cook it on the stove. Better not be looking. I'm not looking. Okay, so I finished blending and I'm gonna get started on cooking the pasta on the spaghetti. We're just gonna start boiling the water for now and salt it, and then we're gonna stick our pasta in there.
Salt. Put the salt.
And we're gonna salt the water because we don't want bland pasta.
Jesus. I talk.
I'm just pouring water in here.
That's why the kettle is good.
I think that's enough water. So here, and then we get our spaghetti, and we just break it into the water, and we cook it for like 7 minutes, and then yeah. And while that's cooking, I'll get started on the sauce.
You say 7 minutes?
Yeah.
It depends on spaghetti, right?
Yeah. 7
It
minutes.
is written 7 minutes.
Yes.
What kind of spaghetti is that?
Oh, yoy.
The thin spaghetti. Okay.
It's really thin.
Maybe that is why it is 7 minutes. I never cook spaghetti in 7 minutes. I never cook spaghetti in 7 minutes. So I don't know.
Let's start off with this one. I think I'm gonna make 2 boxes.
Two? Okay. So that 2 boxes will be small for everybody.
Dylan does not really eat spaghetti.
Hmm?
Dylan, I don't think Dylan can eat spaghetti.
Okay. To pretend to cut spaghetti.
Make sure they're all under the water. Okay. And then we cover it so it cooks faster. We'll say 7 minutes.
When my daughter cooks, she has a timer.
Yes.
She puts a timer on her phone. When I cook, I don't have timer. I just look at it.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna get started on the sauce. We did this in another pan. We just need some oil, the tomato, and this little cube. And we're just gonna put that in there when we put the tomato sauce. So turn on the fire. If we can put it on the fire. There you go. We add in some oil.
You're not going to have any vegetables inside, like carrots? Okay.
We're not that healthy over here. We're not that healthy.
What about the egg? No?
Okay, and then we're going to take this out and bring it. So now we're going to get started on our sauce. In this pan I have some oil, and we're going to fry up some onions, and then we're going to add in the sauce and this little cube for flavor.
Okay. Put the fire a little bit high. Sample for heights.
Trying to separate the onions here. That's so funny.
I love that you are the delivery people.
Wait. Okay, and you want to make sure we don't like let it stick that much, so we turn it.
Or overcook the pasta, huh?
Yeah. You don't want the pasta to be too cooked in some areas. And then with our onions, we don't want to burn them. We're just trying to cook them, make them a little softer before we add in the sauce. Okay. And we have a couple minutes on this, so I'm going to close this and get back to my onions. Okay, and honestly, I think we're ready for to add in the tomatoes. Which is what I'll do now. And lower the fire a little bit and gently pour in the tomatoes. And we're not trying to waste anything.
Learning from the master, no wasting.
Here we just, now we can turn the fire up and mix in everything. Okay. So our pasta's done, at least that's what the timer said. So we're just gonna pick one up. Oh, see, it's ready. Look how easy that broke off. Yeah, that's fine. And now we're gonna go drain the water out because we don't want it to get too soggy. Okay, so we're just gonna add in some extra seasoning, and we're gonna add in 2 of these Maggi cubes, and we're just gonna crush them up and sprinkle them around. There's 1. There's 2. Then we're gonna add in some rosemary, garlic. Some paprika. And some parsley. This is as close to a vegetable as we're gonna get, so. So, yeah. And then, this is some pepper that we're gonna add just a little bit because it's really, really spicy. That still seems like a lot, but that's okay. And if we want more, we can add it later. And we're just gonna mix that up. And basically the goal here to cook the pasta, not the pasta, the sauce, is to let the water in the tomatoes evaporate. So we're gonna keep going until all that water is gone. Okay, so the water's gone down a little bit. It still needs to go down more, but basically this is what it looks like right now. We're just gonna let it cook for a little bit.
You have to taste it to make sure the spices are the salt.
What do you do? Why are you telling me you can test it?
Yeah, but I know I can't because of my Invisalign. It'll stain it.
Just add a little bit more salt. The salt.
Okay, we're just gonna generously add this. And that's to be enough. And then when this finishes cooking, we're gonna add in the sardines, which personally we like and we think is really yummy. And we add in some of the oil because it's like a little bit spicy and we like that. Basically, all of our water in the tomatoes is gone. It's evaporated. This is what it looks like. And we're gonna add in 2 things of sardines now. We're not gonna put the oil on both of them. We're only gonna put the oil on one of them because we don't need that much oil. So I'm gonna open this one up. this one go here.
Be careful.
Yeah. And then we're just gonna let that go in here.
I just
Stop the video. Now what am I supposed to do?
No, don't do that. You're going to hurt yourself.
I got some help. It comes with 3 sardines, and we get this sardine at the African market because no offense to the Americans, but we like the African ones more. And we're just gonna like lock them in there. And there we go. And we just kind of break it up and mix it into the sauce. Move this pan over here and I'm gonna pour the sauce onto it. Put the what? Okay. Now our sauce is ready, so we're gonna mix it into our pasta. That's what it looks like, guys. We made a lot more pasta than I thought we were gonna make, so we're just gonna pour that into here and mix it up. And it's gonna be a little tough. That's okay. Get all the excess sauce.
You said the sauce is small?
No, it's fine. It's enough sauce. I'm gonna put this in the sink.
Making
Okay,
good.
now we're gonna mix it up. If we can mix it up. And basically,
That is a lot of pasta.
yeah.
It is good that you only did 2 parts.
Basically, we just mix it up until it's like all the sauce and the pasta, spaghetti are like sticking to each other and incorporated. Or you can just leave it how you like. It's up to you. Yeah, that's the end of the video.
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
I'm sure it is yummy.
Get yourself a fork.
So guys, I'm going to be testing to make sure that everything is good. It is looking super good, guys. Yeah, it is good. Thank you for cooking. The food is tasting good, guys.
Well, there's dinner. We don't have a...
Stella, that is already full. Do you want another bowl? What is this? Wait, is it for noon and tonight?
I haven't eaten lunch.
What in the world?